In this video, I'll show you how to create a shared folder in Google Drive. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. The first thing we're going to do is go to Drive on our computer. Then we're going to select New at the left, and you're going to create a new folder by clicking on New Folder. Here, you can give your folder a title. I'm going to name mine Team A. After you create your folder, go ahead and open it by clicking on it, and you can upload files to your folder by clicking on New. Then you're going to select File Upload, and then you're going to select every single file from your computer that you wish to upload. After your files are uploaded and ready, go ahead and click on this arrow that is pointing down right next to your folder's name. Then you're going to select Share, and then here you will have two options. The first option is to add the email of the person that you wish to share this folder with. And after you edit the permission settings, you can go ahead and select Send, and now this person will be able to access this folder through their Google Drive account. Now, the second option is to go back to Share, then copy link, and this will give you a link that you can copy and paste to the person that you wish to share this folder with. Hope that helps.